Today, I'm installing a Mishimoto Oil catch can on my 2025 Civic Si. So the first thing we're going to do is take off the bracket for the fuel feed line up against the firewall. I know it sounds weird, but behind it is where we're going to put the hang mount bracket. This is going to support the top of the catch can itself and keep things nice and tidy away from the engine. The feed line bracket is all 10mm, 3 on the front piece and 2 in the back. This step isn't required, but I went ahead and unclipped the fuel line from the bracket just to make things a little bit easier when I put the can mount on. The best way I found to put this on is to hold the catch can bracket and the fuel line bracket together with the mounting bolts and just line them up to the threads in the firewall. That way everything stays put and you don't drop anything by accident. Once the two 10mm bolts are snug down, I put this little foam guard that came with the can on the rubber fuel line to keep it from rubbing up against the catch can itself, and then I used the pop ties to hold it in place. After that, I pop the retainer clips back in and finish tightening the zip ties. Don't forget to trim them after, you'll thank me later. Now to just put the front part of the factory bracket back on and snug it down too. Next, we'll go ahead and remove the factory PCV hose. And I'll be honest, it was on there pretty tight. I probably fought with it for about a solid 10 to 15 minutes. Once that's off, I put the barb fittings on the catch can and take the hex head screws out to get it ready to put on the car. All you gotta do is line the threads on the top of the can to the holes in the mounting bracket and put the little screws in. After that, all you gotta do is install the new hoses that came with the kit. It's extremely important that you get the order right or else it won't filter correctly. The fittings on the can are marked in and out. Your in is going to go on the end on the back side of your valve cover that's pointing towards the firewall. Your out is going to go to the fitting on your intake manifold that's pointing up. Once the hoses are on in the right order, go ahead and snug the clamps down. The kit also comes with these clips that hold the hoses away from each other so they don't rub and wear over time in use. Alright, so that is the catch can install. You can see, like I said, whenever you need to empty it, all you gotta do is just loosen it down here. I might be turning it the wrong way. Yeah, it was. Gotta manhandle it a little bit to get it out, but you can get it out. Yeah, it might be one of those things where you have to take these off and then take the can off the mount and then empty it or something, because just trying to get this off, it wants to bump into that the bit of the intake manifold right here. So, but aside from that, it's, I mean, you barely even notice it unless you're looking for it. They even give you these little clips to attach onto the other hoses so it doesn't rub. But one other thing, not quite done yet, I also got these couple dress up bolts for the ignition coils up here. I know I need to clean off all this, but at the time of recording this, winter's almost over, but I'll clean it early spring. Yeah, I'll go ahead and put these on real quick and see how they look, and then we'll be done. Alright, so this is probably about a month or so after I installed the catch can. I'm really liking how these little coil pack screws are looking. The purple on black is kind of the general whole theme of what I'm going with the build as a whole. This has already been putting in some good work. Let me see. So last time you saw me try and take this thing off, I was struggling, and what I found out is that normally the intake manifold here is going to get in the way, but all you got to really do, once this thing eventually screws off, all you really got to do is just basically take this, like grab it by the connecting points here and just pull up a little. I would say it's not the best thing, but you're not really pulling that hard. Or if you're lucky like that, you can just get it right off. But look at that. See if I can get it in the light here. Look at all that it's already been capturing. All that would normally be getting stuck up on your intakes and everything. And oh dear, baffles come loose. I'll sort that out in a minute. Figure what that's about. Yikes. But yeah, I don't know why. Sorry, let me get this in frame. I don't know why. I'm gonna tighten down that screw just to be safe. I don't know why that came loose. Probably just from the way it's, I guess it's really close to the side of the cup, and the way I've got to pull it and just I've got to tilt it just to take it off. I guess just somehow managed to just spin that loose, but I will have to keep that in mind. But anyway, I mean, aside from the loose baffle, it's been working really well. The filter's been coming in clutch. I finally got a chance to clean the engine bay after I first bought the thing over a year ago. But yeah, that being said, I've already got some more parts on the way, so you will be seeing videos of that coming up. Maybe in the next, say probably in the next month or so. So I'm really excited. I like where this is already heading, and yeah, I can't wait to see where this goes. So appreciate all y'all for watching. Subscribe if you want to keep notified of what's coming up next. But aside from that, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.